Hello my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and we are once again in G's garden. This is week 13-14, and not much to report. And I think I mentioned in my last video that this garden is about done. The only thing that seems to be still producing are the tomatoes, and there's a little bit going on with the eggplant. I thought at one time that my cucumber plant was going to make a comeback, but oh, how wrong was I. Yeah, something else has been eating on it, so it's gone. Here's the poblano. The leaves are all done. That means the root's done. There's nothing there. There's a couple little poblanos on there, and G's going to pull those off today. The basil, still doing very well. Happy with it. Let's go on down further. These stairs always get me right here. This is the other side of the eggplant. Got a couple of them over there showing up. And this is the other side of the tomato. It's doing okay, as I mentioned. This is that second tomato. It's got one on there, and that is it. It's growing tall. That's about all. Zucchini. Through. That's it. Gone. No more. I'm going to have to pull that out of there. I think I mentioned before that what G is going to do is at the end of the summer, when it gets a little cooler, he's going to change all these beds out and put some wire at the bottom so that the gophers or whatever is in there won't dig through and eat the roots of these plants. This is the pumpkin, and it's basically through. I don't think those pumpkins are going to grow any bigger than what they are. It's done. So that's it. Quick one. I'm not going to do any more follow-ups on this garden because this is it. If I do any follow-ups, it will be because something significant happened or is taking place, or potentially when G starts to redoing these beds, we'll come back. But for now, Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, G's Garden, week 13-14, done.